see your hands. Wave them at them bitches hating on you with their friends. Girl, you got it.
What it do, YouTube, man? It's your boy J-Mo 2-Time, man. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and stay tuned in with Life with J-Mo. Right now I'm cleaning out my truck. I'm finna get ready to get a new truck, an upgrade. So I'm gonna get y'all a little tour of the inside and the outside and stuff like that. Right now I got a 2022, but I'm not gonna tell y'all what year I'm getting, because I'm gonna let y'all see it though. I'm gonna tell y'all once I get to the truck and see everything like that. But y'all just stay tuned in and we'll go from there. What it do, YouTube, man? This is my new truck. I just want y'all to look at it, man. You feel me? Western Express, man, they just keep blessing me, man. Everybody be thinking Western Express ain't so bad, but man, Western Express gonna do it for me. I'm in a brand new 2024. It's nice, man. Nice little truck. I'm gonna go on the inside. Y'all don't mind me. It's the inside. Yeah, we only got 5,988 miles. Yeah. Man. Yeah, this motherfucker here nice. Turn it on. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah. It's a brand new truck, man. Yep, no engine lights on here. Yeah, this how it looks, man. Let me get up and show y'all. Back. Yeah. Got the windows on both sides. It's a nice little truck, man. Honestly can say. My mama cup. Yeah, got the inverter in the back. Yeah, this thing nice, man. It's brand new. I got my little paper laws and stuff like that. Got my water and stuff. Yeah, man, this thing nice though, man. Yup. Put a refrigerator right there. And that's it, man. What it do, YouTube? So that was the outside and the inside of my truck in the daytime of my brand new 2024 International. Now that we got all that squared away, I'm gonna show the inside, how the inside looks, like the dash and the lights that they put in the truck. I mean, it looks very, very good at nighttime. I would give the International and the inside a 10 out of 10 compared to the Freightliner I had. And honestly, I can say I'm very in love with this truck, man. So y'all gonna see more videos posted down the line. So y'all just stay tuned and get ready to watch this inside of the truck. Yeah, man, this how I look at nighttime, man. This thing really nice. Like how they got the little red light on the bottom.
Extra. This shit is hard.
They got the red light on the bottom of there too. It's fire, man. It's international, man. I really love this. Freightliner, y'all can never do this. Yeah, I just fell in love, man. And that completes the video of my truck tour right now. I'm gonna do some mods to it, maybe put like a TV in here, put a microwave, air fryer and stuff like that, put some LED lights in here. But y'all just stay tuned in for the next videos that I'm gonna post. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in another video.
Got out my feelings and got in my bag. Okay, get out your feelings and get in your bag. Get out your feelings and get your bag. Get out your feelings and get in the bag.